Hello guys, how's it going? I'm Aline and welcome to this video review about the Biorestore Complete. Now, if you are dealing with black spots on your face and you don't know what happened or how to get rid of them, you need to listen up. You see, the Biorestore Complete is the perfect serum you need in your lives right now to have a beautiful skin, to get rid of these dark spots just like me, to basically have baby skin again. So if you want to know everything about the Biorestore Complete, if you want to see what's it made up of, where to get it from, and all that jazz, you need to listen up. All right, guys, there are some very important infos for you to know. So if you don't want to miss out, I think you don't, just listen up. I promise you this will not take much of your time. Now, first of all, you need to know where to get the Biorestore Complete from. You see, they have their very own official website to guarantee that you receive the original Biorestore Complete. So that is why I went there, I copied the link for you guys and left it below this video in the description box. That is the only place you have to go to purchase it from. Just remember that, all right? Because there are other places trying to sell it and it's not the real deal and people end up getting it and having some really bad side effects. So just get the original Biorestore Complete on the official website only. Now, as I was saying before, you know, the Biorestore Complete, it's here to help you eliminate any dark spots from your face, black spots, dark spots. Guys, sometimes people say, oh, I have dark spots because I'm aging. No. You see, sometimes dark spots, they could be because of light radiation, pollution, maybe your skin is lacking some sort of vitamin. Either way, scientists discovered a perfect formula to help you guys eliminate these dark spots. Basically, you know, the Biorestore Complete, it is very rich with a lot of natural ingredients that you guys can read the full list on the official website, and they will help you basically to moisturize, hydrate, and eliminate any dark spots on your face, and like they will not come back whatsoever. So it could be because of your skin is lacking something, and the ingredients that go in its formula is exactly what your skin needs. Not to mention, it's going to restore your skin's collagen as well. Guys, so it comes in form of a serum where you're going to apply it every single day. So you apply it twice a day, all right? In the morning and at nighttime. Just make sure you wash your face properly, get rid of any oily substances, get rid of any dirt, pollution that's in your face, and then you apply the Biorestore Complete and wait for its magic to happen. Now, it is a natural serum, so don't expect to get results from day to night or night to day, because that's not how it works, but you will see results in no time. So just make sure you apply it every single day. Be patient, you know, enjoy your skincare routine, and you're going to realize that one moment you're gonna look in the mirror and your spots will be disappearing. Now, for any reasons at all, should you need a refund, you guys are actually backed by a whole 60-day money-back guarantee. So from the very first day of your purchase, you have 60 days to test it out. That is so much more than enough time that you need to actually see results. So if you need a refund, you just redirect yourselves to the official website, and those guys, like the support group, they will help you get every single penny that you spent on it back. So basically, you are not throwing your money away, because if you need it, it's there. And look at it on the bright side, guys. You will not be needing your refund because you are going to get results with the Biorestore Complete. Not to mention, it's natural, right? So it has no side effects and no contradictions. Take your treatment seriously, use it every day, twice a day, and be patient, guys. You know, it has very rich natural ingredients that your skin is simply going to love. So give yourselves the chance to have beautiful baby skin, glowing skin, and, you know, give Biorestore a chance. I can guarantee you're gonna love it. Don't forget, the official website is here. If you have any questions or doubts, leave them in the comments below and I will help you out. Have a great day, guys. Take care and see you next time. Bye.